hooked up, and we got the Razor sitting here. Not so concerned about the Razor, you know, it's an all-weather vehicle. You know, it'll dry out. Everything does. And got our cousins Dan and Cheryl and Martha over there, staying all cozy. And this is our rig right here, guys. This is our 2019 Eclipse Attitude 23SA toy hauler. And that's my 2500 HD Duramax 2015. It tows so good with that Polaris in there, and all the tanks full. It's really cool. So, oh, there's the Weber. Gonna cook some